everybody, this is your happy wife, happy life, here in my kitchen again.
Today, I cook or I make sweets. Today, I make a sweet recipe. So, it's a dessert and very popular in Philippines. A leche flan and sweet potato with coconut milk. And you know what? This is so cheap to make. It's about $1 for the two recipes. This is the ingredients of my sweet potato with coconut milk and a sugar. So this is already sweet potato and I make it more sweeter and very delicious.
This sweet potato is about half a kilo and less than 25 cents a dollar. So I put 1 cup of water and 1 cup of coconut milk and a half cup of sugar, brown sugar. So we let it boil until the potato becomes soft and creamy. So we have to cover this one and we wait. It's almost creamy. So this is done. This. So this is my ingredients of my leche flan. The sweet milk and 1 egg and a few drops of vanilla. It's very easy. I melted the white sugar to become syrup. So now it's ready. It's cooked now, our white sugar.
you for watching my video. And now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you. Have a nice day.